Arrive in style with this Hyundai 2016 Veloster Turbo. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are 8 speakers, AM/FM radio, Sirius XM, CD player, MP3 decoder, radio, AM/FM Sirius XM CD MP3 Dimension Premium, air conditioning, rear window defroster, power steering and power windows. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.